Yes, I made a good year here. Ghanaians blast actress Juliet Ibrahim for announcing her love relationship with Nigerian rapper Iceberg Slim on social media. They are wondering why she will leave a decent husband like Apostle Kojo Safo Kantanke's son with a beautiful family because they have a child together for a rascal, a bad boy like Iceberg Slim who will be pressing and squeezing her bum for pictures to be uploaded on social media. Others are saying her choice or decision to dump or divorce Apostle Kojo Safo Kantanke's son, who is a car manufacturer, for Iceberg Slim is a billion steps back in her life. If this is your first time finding me on this channel, kindly check below the video. You will see a red subscribe button. Subscribe to be able to get new videos as soon as it is uploaded. I do this every day. Just subscribe for daily entertainment updates and drop a like for the video. Juliet Ibrahim divorced her husband, who is Kantanke's son, in somewhere June 2014. According to some reports, she caught the husband cheating with another woman and she decided to leave. According to some other reports too, she claims her marriage to Kojo Safo Jr. was a mistake which shouldn't have happened because during the course of their friendship, she got pregnant and they decided to get married. But the parents of the man wasn't in support of the marriage and they did not even attend their wedding. So when the man cheated, she decided to leave because the family has already shown lack of support and disapproval of the marriage. After 1 year of the divorce, Juliet Ibrahim started a secret love affair with Nigerian rapper Iceberg Slim, and yesterday was Iceberg's birthday and also the 1 year anniversary of their relationship, and Juliet Ibrahim decided to make their relationship public and took it to social media. Let's check out her post. A joyous birthday to the one that has taught me how to love unconditionally and so effortlessly. I wish you God's blessing in abundance, prosperity, long life, good health, everything positive life has in store for you. Success in all your endeavors, and above all, I pray for God's protection as we embark on this journey together. Happy 1 year anniversary to us as well. After Juliet Ibrahim posted this on social media, lots of pictures of Juliet Ibrahim and Iceberg started flooding social media with some grabbing, squeezing going on there, and social media decided to react. Let's check out some of the reactions. Someone said, "So she left her beautiful marriage for this rubbish?" And another one, "It is the guy that you want? Is he Kung Fu or Jackie Chan?" And another person, "Them go chop her left arm. Ask Yvonne Nelson and Nadia Buhari. All Niger boys chop them like biscuit and left them to their fate." And another one, "I see the guy leaving you soon. I'm no soothsayer, but guys always play with things they wouldn't love to keep forever. Shaking my head." And another one, "She wanted her freedom for boys like this Shaka Zulu guy, not even responsible men. Who shame to you, Juliet." And another person, "Very disappointing. Look at how this foolish guy is just holding your ass in public and you are okay with it. Our ladies are disgrace to the nation and womanhood. No wonder that's why she is a divorcee." And another person, "Left your beautiful marriage for this Nigerian avatar, shaking my fucking head." And another person, "You don't feel shy of how the guy they squeeze your butt like some Coco Day rubber." And another person, "Another song on the way, your ass, all I want is your ass, all I need is your ass." By now, Kantanke's son is laughing. After him, you moved back, not forward, in his mind. And another person, "Your ex-hubby is laughing so hard I can see him crying and falling off his chair. A guy who holds your butt like this for pick won't go far with you. No respect. See head, my fairy cry." And another person, "Apostle Safo's son will be singing praises, thanking his God for delivering him from early hypertension, blood pressure and heart attack." And another person, "They won't go in for the big shows too. The Band, Don Jazzy, Two-Face, Flavor, but always some upcoming artists we know safe. Yvonne went in for that guy when he was coming up. You too, you left car manufacturer for this bevu." And another person, "Even the haircut alone described the guy in other words, beauty without." And another person, "After all fresh and beauty, look what you brought for yourself. Horror man, even he's not humble, but guy, I pity you, lady." A lot of reactions went on there. I think these are one of the things we do for life. Someone will leave his parents' mansion to go in a village to stay in a hut just because of love. Let us know what you also think. Don't forget to like the video. I beg, smash the like button, make it turn blue, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for daily entertainment update, and follow me on all social media, Samuel Edegbudi on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Peace. I'm out.